How is an executive going to start a house cleaning business and get an E-2? Not to say an executives can't get E-2s or that house cleaning businesses are not good E-2 candidates, but when you put that combination together, typically it's really hard because how are you going to prove marginality? This is how we did it. Let's go. Hi, my name is Joseph. I'm the managing partner here at Zahn Associates, where we solve legal problems with creative solutions. So the legal problem in this case is that we had a client, she's an executive from a tech company who wanted to do a house cleaning business. And I don't mean she wanted to buy a house cleaning business to invest and have them clean houses and clean her own house. I've mentioned that as an example to many people before, but no, she wanted to start her brand new own startup house cleaning business because she also had a partner who loves to do house cleaning. And so the two of them were going to do it throughout the Midwest. How is that going to qualify for an E-2? One of the hardest things to prove for E-2 is the marginality. Prove that your company is going to be big enough that you're not just making sufficient income for yourself. If you're doing a housekeeping business, a lot of your competitors, their goal is just to make enough salary for them and their employees. That's it, just to break even. You need to prove on paper, in your business plan, that your business is going to thrive and you're gonna make enough income to justify everything. For any business, you can come up with a projected revenue, but a housekeeping business, that's so cutthroat. What are you going to charge and why would people pay it? So we spend a lot of time to think about what makes her E-2 application, what makes her housekeeping business unique. From the little that I know about her home country, I suggested that she walk through one of those famous night markets that she belonged and pick up anything that's related to house cleaning and let me know what she found. She came back and told me about the natural made soaps and cleaning supplies that they sell at the market. All natural cleaning supplies using fruit, baking soda, lemon, able to clean the entire house, no chemicals. Another thing was the cleaning tools, how to fold laundry super efficiently, how to iron out everything around the house, so that her cleaning service was not just to get things organized, but to clean everything organically, teach the parents, the children, how to use these cleaning supplies, how to make their own, to save them money, how to iron out everything and to organize everything. And it's a white glove service. So they can also pick up all the clothes, take it to a laundromat, and also clean it organically. And everything is done through a handy dandy app that she and her team back in her home country created. This was one of the most unusual cases we've had to do because the background story was so unique and the investment capital was so low. And so we had to find out that they had actual customers, businesses and homes that were willing to sign up and pay a high fee for this cleaning service before she even got the E-2 visa. Luckily, she had a partner here in the US that created everything so it's ready to launch right when she comes. We really leaned in on the business partner who was able to go to swap meets and farmer markets and advertise in school boards, letting everybody know about this cleaning service so that we can acquire enough signatures and customers to prove to the consulate that this client is going to kick off this company and it's going to hit the ground running. The investment amount was around $70,000, but for a cleaning company, you don't need an office, you need a car to transport all the cleaning supplies. She was able to bring all the supplies and fruit, you could just buy that at Trader Joe's. If you have any questions about this business plan or any other E-2, feel free to reach out to us. Would love to talk to you about it. Take care.